First, search your Microsoft 365 admin app. This is my admin app. Just select the groups. Click on this plus sign. Here you can select the type of group. It should be Microsoft 365 group, security group, or distribution group, or mail enabled security group. You can select this option according to you. I am just selecting as a Microsoft 365 group. Give any display name. This is my display name. I can select the owner. Click on this done. If you want to give any description about this group, you can give here. Either you can leave this as a blank. You can see the privacy option. You can select according to you. It should be public or private. I am going to select this as a public. Just click on this done. You can see sales 23 group is ready to use. Okay, let's search the group. This is the group. You can edit group from here, display name and description as well, and you can see the group type here. View members. We did not add any member previously, so we can add from here. Manage members. You can add members. If you want to remove after adding, so you can remove from here. Add member. Click on this licensed. I am going to add this. This is added. You can view the owners from here. If you want to add another owner, and if you want to remove any of them, you can delete this group directly from here.